So, website maintenance. So you know those annoying Windows computers that are out there that need updating every 2 minutes with security updates, and this bit of software needs updating, this bit of software needs updating. Well, websites are the same. They need their software updating and functionality that it has kept up to date, etc., for it to be working as good as it can be. So that's a big part of our job, to make sure everything's running as it should be. And with our packages, we also include keeping the content up to date. So if the client doesn't want to do it, we can add articles for them. And we also have a development time in there. So if you want to adapt and make their website do new things, we can also do that. I highly recommend that you have some sort of maintenance contract in place with whoever you need to do it, as it just means that in the future you're not going to have to re-spend again on a brand new website. So it's just about maintaining and keeping everything healthy and everything up to date, and you get the benefit in the long run.